Sorry, just got cut off. Yeah, so as I was saying in the previous video, these What's Up meters are absolutely amazing. I've had it submersed in water, I've short-circuited it both ways, all sorts of issues and problems, and every time she comes up trumps. I've had to pull it apart because I thought it was broken in the inside. It turned out to be a wire, soldered it on, bang, working perfectly again. Fantastic. So yeah, we're going to get back to these cells here. Now when I shorted that out, this cell here, they've all got about even warmness. This one particular got a little bit warmer. That's what I noticed. I thought, hang on, this is under load. What's going on? So that's been probably a bit lower in voltage now. It says 10.38. This gives us actually an opportunity. So we'll take advantage of that. We'll get on the bike and we'll charge these cells up without them actually being under load, and we'll see the variation in voltage. So we're at 10.38. Here we go. I'll just ride for approximately a minute at around about 15 volts. It'll be the most boring minute of your life, but what you can do is look at the watts meter there and see if that changes, because as these batteries offer less resistance as they charge up, I think actually these cells will offer more resistance for the last 10% of their charge. It may actually alter the amount of wattage consumed. So we're at about 25 watts. Sorry about the unevenness. Bike's got a bit of a wobble to it. I could make this stand probably a little bit more solid, but I'm actually turn this into a recumbent generator. So you're actually sitting down, not on a bike, but actually like a tadpole recumbent gen, and quite compact too. So that I can have it just behind my lounge rooms and office. I can have it in there and generate power to run my computer, which will actually charge the batteries in the computer. Hopefully not having a... Alright, so that's been about 2 minutes and 20 seconds or something like that. Sorry, 1 minute and 20 seconds. So there you go. That batteries. Them batteries have got a bit of charge in them now. The superficial charge is depleting, and they look like they're going to be around about 13 point maybe 75 volts or something. As you can tell, I'm not breathing heavy at all. It's not a lot of resistance at all. In fact, what I did then, I'd have to say I pretty much didn't feel any resistance. It's just pretty much pedaling the wheels. I can do this with my hand very easy. It actually feels like as if it's a normal bike with the wheel off the ground. That's how much resistance is there, very little. So what's our resting voltage? It looks like about 13.65 volts or something around there. Alright, so we're going to switch this on. And we have light, lovely, and we have our voltage. I think I've found the key. These lithium-ion batteries, because they offer these cells, because they offer very low resistance to charge from their working voltage of between 2.5 volts and 3.7 volts, they're effectively working a bit like a supercapacitor, although, there we go, got low voltage pre-alarm. They work in conjunction with this inverter, and the light's just gone off. They work in conjunction with this inverter quite well, because normally you have to have some sort of BMS to make sure they don't deplete too far and then short circuit themselves. Lithium ion batteries are dangerous, everybody, so be well aware if you're going to muck around with them. Understand them, understand the chemistries. Look at a few videos on YouTube of people short circuiting them and watching them actually catch on fire and explode. Be aware, you should be using a BMS or something that has a low voltage cutout like this power inverter. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll probably do a video where I'm actually charging up my laptop battery directly to the actual laptop. I won't have the laptop switched on, I'll just be actually charging the battery, but I'll be pedaling this. I'll probably, when I actually do this properly, now that I know that it works very well, I'll actually have a derailleur on the back 6, what have we got here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cogs, so I can actually change gear, so I can sit there at a voltage that I like. So for my laptop I know it's around about 20 volts, so I'll be able to charge that directly into the battery rather than actually going through an inverter and then going into a charger and then into the battery. All that loss is not what I'm after. I'll do a video on that and show you how it's done. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoy my videos, and don't forget to subscribe and comment. Bye.